Everybody, I'm back with another video, and today we're going to put my phone in one of these cars and put it down the slide and see what happens. Car I'm going to be using is this thing, and I'm going to put you in the front seat and yeah, see what happens. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Holy crap, guys. Can't wait to see that footage. Next car is going to be this pink Barbie car. Kind of worn down too. And we'll see what happens in this. Alright, I'm just going to place you on the passenger seat and see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, guys. Actually went in the same place I found it. My next one's gonna be in this wagon kind of thing. Like you put toy horses there. Somebody sits there. It's like a jail thing, a cannon. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna put you right here and see what happens on this one. 3, 2, 1, go. That didn't go nearly as far as I thought, but hey, it worked. This is a tractor and 4 wheels. Yes, this one actually has a lot of spiders on it. I kind of realized there's no good place to put you on here, so I'm just gonna have to lift up the tractor thing and see what happens there. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that did not go as planned, but it's okay. For this last one, it's a pickup truck, and yeah, see how this works. Put you right here, and 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that was probably the worst one, and as you can tell, it's kind of getting dark, so yeah. For this video, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Peace.